let's draw a picture. It says two sides of a triangle, 5 meters, 4 meters. So I'm going to put sorry about that. I can put the 5 meters here. And arbitrarily, I'm just going to just simply say that there's a side over here that's 4 meters long. All right. And it says the angle between them is increasing. So this is the theta, and it's increasing at a rate. Let me write that down for you. The d theta dt is increasing at a rate of 3.44 degrees per second. Now this should be converted to radian measure, and I'll do that right now. And that would be 180 degrees over pi, and that's the rate of it. All right, the degrees would cancel off. Don't worry about the number, by the way. Now, what do they want to know? Find the rate at which the area of the triangle is increasing. Well, the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to talk about the area of a triangle being this over here, which is 1/2 times the base times the height. And this is the height of it. What's the height going to be? It's going to be the sine. Let's write this down. The sine of theta is going to be h over 4. So you would get 4 sine theta would be the h. And let's write this down. So area is actually a function of theta. And what do you get there? Let's take a look. 2 into 4, that's 2, you get 10 sine theta. And I can certainly take a derivative of that. And what would you get over there? Let's write this, it's going to be a prime. That's going to be 10 cosine theta d theta dt. And what's d theta dt? We do know that, right? It's right over here. All right? So let's write that down. And a prime of theta is going to be 10 cosine of theta times, what was that number? 3.44 over 180 pi. And what's the unit of that going to be? It's going to be meters squared. All right? So, the bottom line, you keep reading it. What else they say? Oh, 60 degrees. So they want to know what a prime is at 60 degrees. And 60 degrees, again, is pi over 3. All right? So it's going to be 10 cosine of pi over 3. The cosine of 60 is 1/2. And you get 3.44 pi, 180. And again, that's metered squared. Let's just simplify a tiny little bit. 1836. 3.44 pi. Let me make sure I did that right. 10 into 180 is 18. 2 times 18 is 36. 3.4, yeah, meter squared. All right. Again, if you're on exam, don't worry about the arithmetic. Let's see if I got the same answer. Again, they approximated it, but I do see, I'll put on what I'm seeing over here. I'm seeing the 10 halves. I'm definitely seeing the metered squared. I'm seeing the 3.44 pi over 180. You know what? I forgot to write another thing. I'm sorry about that. It's increasing with a unit of time as well, and that would be seconds. I forgot to write that down. All right. Thank you. That's about it.